you have x 0, 0, y. Things you should be putting on your one-pager. This one, using integers. That means no fractions or decimals. Aiden, leave her alone, please. So with this one, I can do a couple things. I can distribute out. And then multiply by the denominator, which is 2. And then the 2 goes to the y, so 2y, to the 5, so plus 10, to my x, so half of 2 is just 1, and then to my 3, so 6. And then I'm going to bring over my 10 by taking it away, bring over my x by taking it away, and I get negative x plus 2y equals negative 4. Or, from here, or right away, I take and I multiply by the half.
I'm flapping with my wings.
Oh, you're flapping with your wings?
Yeah.
Nice. And I multiply that too. Then the 2 goes to the y, and I get 2y. The 2 goes to the 5, and I get 10. And the 2 goes only to the outside half. Well, half of 2 is 1, so I'm left with x plus 6. And look at this is the same, so we still get our negative x plus 2y is negative 4. All right, write an equation of the line that passes through the given point, and that's parallel. Parallel means same slope, different y-intercepts. So right now it tells me that my slope is 8. So I'm going to keep a slope of 8 and have my point 5.7. So y minus 7 is 8 times x minus 5. So I put it into point slope form and solve. Distribute. Y minus 7 is 8x minus 40. Add my 7. So my final answer, y equals 8x, same slope, minus 33, different y-intercept. And that's going to bug me. This is x. There you go. So pull out your slope. Parallel is the same. Put in the slope and the points into point slope form and distribute it out. Now we're going to do one though that is perpendicular. Well, my original slope is 4/5. When we have perpendicular slopes, we flip and make opposite. So the slope I am going to actually use is a negative 5/4. So I take my point 0.04 and my slope. So y minus 4 is negative 5/4 of x minus 0. Distribute out. Y minus 4 is negative 5/4 of x. Take and add 4. So your final equation, y equals negative 5/4 x plus 4. So opposite reciprocal, and does not matter about the y-intercept. All right, this is our last problem. Carly rented a canoe, which cost her an $8 initial fee. So that is considered your y-intercept. Plus $2 per hour for every hour. Write an equation that models for canoeing. So y equals $2 per hour plus a starting fee of $8. How long did Carly canoe if her total cost was 13? Okay, well the 13 represents the y. So 13 equals 2x plus 8. So take away the 8 and I'm left with 5 is 2x. When I divide by 2, it means that she rented for 2.5 hours. All right, so here's my helpful tip for you. I would be writing down the formulas. Y equals mx plus b. Oops. Y minus y1 is m times x minus x1. Ax plus by equals c. Y equals kx. This is your direct variation. Y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is your slope. Slope is your rise over run, which is your up and down over your side to side, which is your you're changing your y for changing your x. B is your y-intercept, which is your starting value. It's where you cross the y-axis. Parallel is the same slope. Perpendicular is negative. Reciprocal, which is your opposite flipped. Let's see, and I think that that's a good start, and then you add whatever you need to. So again, I would be looking through the review and watching videos and making your one-pager.